Video I will show you how you can show the words on screen while you speak rather than typing them manually each and every word. You can use this trick to automatically do this for you and save more time. So let's dive in and start learning. Alright, so first of all, in order to create the auto transcription, again we'll go to the text panel and click on the transcribe sequence, and over here we are going to choose our language. So in this case it's English, and I'm going to let it select the mixed track. That way it's going to work, and then I would click on the transcribe. It's going to say take some time and the transcription would be done. So now transcription is done, and you can see right over here. So first of all, I'll correct any spelling error. So I'll check and correct the spelling error. Alright, so spelling has been done. So now I'll show you how to search and replace. So in this case, I'm going to search for tip number. So I'm going to copy this, and over here I would just search for this word. Okay, and I would click on this replace option and replace with, I will type tip and then number. Okay, and then I would click on the replace. That's going to replace the first, and if I click on the replace all, it's going to replace all of the words. Right, so once that is done, now it's time to create the captions. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to click on this create captions, and from here obviously we are going to choose everything as default style. We don't have any style, or if you have any style you can choose that style. So let me select the text style, this one, and over here you make sure you select the maximum length slider and you drag this maximum length slider to the minimum, and minimum is 7 word. Okay, and then minimum duration in second, just drag it down to 1.2 seconds. So you need to drag it, then you need to click once, and that way it's going to stay over here. Minimum duration of these seconds is 1.2 seconds, and then gap between the captions, let it be 0 or default, and make sure you lines from the lines you select the single option. Okay, so now everything is done, and now we are ready to click on the create, and it's going to create the captions. And once captions are done, now you can see they have a single word, unlike the other way where it used to create the multiple lines, or it used to have the multiple words in one particular caption or subtitle. Right, so now just play it, so you can see whatever you are speaking, that is coming up on the screen. Rather than just typing each and every word yourself, you can use the auto transcription feature, and that way it's going to work for you. And suppose if you don't want to have each and every word to appear something like this on the screen, then what you can do, you can right click over here on the subtitle track and click on the add track and just press OK, and that's going to add a new track. Then what you can do, you can just select all of these and drag this upside. Okay, and then you can turn off that track and turn on the bottom one. And suppose you want to just keep only the beginning part in this word, or you want to show only the beginning parts as a word, so you can just drag and drop over here on the subtitle track, which is now open. So if you just play it, you can see now this one shows. And then if you suppose you don't want this word or some part of it, then select that by dragging with your mouse and drawing over it, and then pressing shift and drag it up, and then you can see that part would not be visible. So here you can have your talking head video or anything else, like let me just show you. So just for the example, I'll just place it over here. So you can see over here it shows that this is my talking head video, and if I want from here to only show the words and not me, then what I can do, I can make a cut over here. So in order to make a cut, you can use the razor tool, or you can press Ctrl K, Command K, or like me, I have customized the key, so I can use that one, and from here I'll make a, and then I can click on this line, this opacity line, and drag it down. That way after this I'll not be visible, but only words would be visible, and then again I would be visible. Alright, so again you can select any part of that, you can show that part. Okay, and again you can make a cut of that part which you don't want and lower down the opacity to 0%, or you can even go to the effects panel, effects and control panel, and from here you can also choose the opacity. So by default is 100%, you can lower down it to 0%. If you are manually creating the transcriptions or captions for your videos, then stop doing this. Or if you are still paying someone else to create the transcription or caption or subtitle for your videos, then please stop doing this. If you are using the Adobe Premiere Pro, then there is a good news for you. The Adobe Premiere Pro has now the auto transcription feature, using which you can easily create the transcription automatically and create captions or subtitles with the help of that. This cool feature works like a charm and it gives up to 95% accurate result. But you would say there are plethora of options within the auto transcribe in Premiere Pro. But don't worry, I am here to help you out. I have created this course. In this course, I have explained the easiest process to auto transcribe any video in Premiere Pro and to create the captions or the subtitles with that. I have also explained the each and every option available within the auto transcription panel or the text panel in Adobe Premiere Pro, so that you can use auto transcription feature effectively and create the transcription in no time. This course is a practical walkthrough where you will learn the fastest and the easiest process to auto transcribe any video and create captions or subtitle. You will also learn how to export the transcription file so that you can use it later on for any other purpose. You will also learn how to export the captions or subtitles as a text file or as a .srt format, which is very useful when you upload your videos to social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram or Facebook. You will also learn the complete process of formatting these captions in a cool and creative way. Besides that, you will also learn how to burn these captions within the videos or create a sidecar file so that your viewers can turn it on and off as per their own convenience. After completion of this course, you would be able to auto transcribe any video and create captions or subtitles with that. So, what are you waiting for? Join this course and start auto transcribing and creating captions or subtitles in no time. So join this course, save time and money. See you inside the course.